Stop looking right now for the big Black Friday deals because the real Black Friday event is happening right here at our dealership every day this November. And the surprise bonuses and prizes just keep piling on and on and on.
We call it the real Black Friday event because not only do we have Black Friday low prices on all remaining models in stock, and attractive low lease and finance rates on approved credit on almost all of our models. But we also have $1 million in Black Friday trade-in cash vehicle shoppers around town could share when they join us for the party.
People who will register their trade online for the real Black Friday event will also automatically be entered into a draw to win a 5-day cruise for two on one of the Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Princess, or Norwegian cruise lines, including Vegas-style entertainment, fine dining, all meals, organized activities, and the use of all onboard facilities.
One lucky winner from all the people who have registered for the real Black Friday event will have a chance to play to win a cash prize. Are you starting to understand why we call it the real Black Friday event?
I'm told this could be the most exciting automotive Black Friday event we'll have in town this year.
What are you waiting for? Register now for the event by clicking on the I Want to Win button and complete the quick form.
You will automatically be registered for the draw to win the 5-day cruise for two.
You'll have a chance to play to win a cash prize. You could spin wherever you want or on whatever you want.
You'll get your share of the $1 million in trade-in cash if you take us up on our offer to upgrade.
Plus, the first 200 people who will register their trade will immediately get free access to the exciting Black Friday Heroes online game and get an instant $500 business office bonus cash.
I'm told that the Black Friday Heroes online game could be very fun and addictive, and people should get theirs before the first 200 are gone.
Register your trade now by clicking on the I Want to Win button and complete the quick form.
You could win a 5-day cruise for two. That alone is worth taking the time to register.
You could also get a chance to play for a cash prize. That's life-changing.
And if you act quickly, you'll get to play the Black Friday Heroes and get an instant $500 business office bonus cash.
I'm told that vehicle shoppers could be gathering in crowds to take advantage of the savings, the bonuses, and the massive prizes.
Beat the crowds and register right now by clicking on the I Want to Win button.
Come get your hands on one of the doorbuster deals we have on many of our models from our pre-owned inventory.
I'm told the event is happening right now every day this November and will end abruptly at the end of the day on November 30th, so you shouldn't wait.
Come get your share of the $1 million in trade-in cash for your current vehicle.
Register now for the event for your chance to win a cruise for two or the cash prize.
Click on the I Want to Win button and complete the quick form. If you're one of the first 200, you will also get instant access to a $500 business office bonus cash. And your whole family will be able to play the Black Friday Heroes online game.
I'm told people who will register for the real Black Friday event increase their chance of experiencing happiness during November.
Why waste your time on some boring Black Friday event elsewhere when you can join one of the most exciting Black Friday events in town right here at our dealership?
Register now.
We'll see you soon at the dealership.
I'm told the video is over. Well, I guess I should also register now for the event for my chance to win.